Welcome to today's tutorial on adding hyperlinks in Google Docs. Whether you want to reference a website, link to a document, or create interactive content, hyperlinks are essential. Let's dive in. 1. Select the text, highlight the text you want to turn into a hyperlink. It could be a word, phrase, or sentence. 2. Insert the link, click on Insert in the menu bar, choose Link from the drop-down. Alternatively, use the keyboard shortcut, Ctrl-K, Windows, Linux, Chromebook, Command-K, Mac. 3. Enter the URL. In the Link dialog box, paste the URL you want to link to. You can link to websites, Google Drive files, or any valid URL. 4. Customize the display text, optional. By default, the linked text will display the URL. To change this, edit the text field to display your preferred text. 5. Test the link, click Apply to create the hyperlink. Test the link by clicking on the linked text. 6. Remove or edit links, if needed. To remove or edit a link, select the linked text, click on Insert and choose Link again. Modify the URL or click Remove to delete the link. Congratulations! You've learned how to add hyperlinks in Google Docs. Now you can enhance your documents with interactive content. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.